Well, I wasn't planning on making a video today on my walk, but I just have to because of the rain that we had last night. How about this? It has come way up over the banks. As a matter of fact, I don't think I've lived here 20 years and I don't think I've ever seen it this high. I have to do an alternate path here through the woods to get over where we normally walk. I'm going to try to do as much of my normal walk as I can. This is actually pretty cool though. I don't know how often this happens. I don't think it happens every year. But yeah, wow. That whole sidewalk that I usually walk down through is all usually, you know what this is like. This is that steep hill on the path. There's no walking on the sidewalk now. That is crazy. All right, let's see how much else isn't accessible anymore. Wow, today, anyway. Wow, guys, look at that. I think we had about 3 inches of rain last night. Whoa. You can see where it washed down the hill. Some areas. Bicycle seat? Really? What the heck? Whoa. That is nuts. I wonder if this is passable. Oh. I may be coming up on another turnaround. I'm gonna have to walk through the woods again. Good Lord. That is full. Yeah. Oh, nuts. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. What am I going to do here? Well, I don't really want to go over that sewer pipe. Hopefully if I go a little bit further upstream, there'll be another space. A little narrower. Yeah, I've gone across that before. It's usually standing several feet above the water, so I could do it, but I don't think I'm going to, because it looks like there's some rocks up there that I can ford the passage. Yep. It's just a little bit higher up in elevation and we're good. Boy, but you can see how this washed though. This washed tremendously last night. Yeah, look at that. Looks like paths. Hey, you found it too, huh? Sure you don't want to go across the sewer pipe? Yeah, in spring and summer we couldn't do this because of all the vegetation overgrowth. You know? Never done this before. Never gone up this far up the creek. Completely submerged. Here we are on the other side. All right. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, there are areas of that forest that I've never seen water in. And there's a significant amount of water in them now. Yep. But this area is still clear. Well, in my previous videos I said something about 100-year flood, but I'll bet you that it's more than that. They could easily develop this into like a playground or something through here. If it didn't flood last night, it's not going to flood. Clouds have a neat pattern to them too. Yeah, we're still all good through here. Some water coming across this sidewalk. And my favorite little puddle over there, I probably have to step lightly because I did not bring my morels today. I don't know. Sometimes I just forget, I suppose. Ooh, the sun feels good. The sun has come out. Yep. Gotta take the high road. Still sounds squishy. Not too bad though. Yeah, pool noodles are long gone. No pool noodles anymore. Do hear all that storm water running though. That's quite something. Or is it leaves? We leaves in the wind. But yeah, we're not flooded here either. I would have thought that this place would have flooded too, but it did not. lot of washout though. A lot of washout. The rapids are flowing. Yeah, that waterfall's gone. Completely gone now. All right. That might just do it for today. Okay. I guess we're going to do a little bonus footage here. No spiders this time. But I just want to see what's going on this end of the neighborhood after the rain last night that you just saw. Wow. All right. Nothing too exciting, really. More branches down. Oh, that's a big one. I'll take that one down later before I hit somebody in the head. No problems with the troll bridge. Obviously some heavy flow out of there too, but nothing damaging. Still hear all those squirrels jumping around through the leaves. Yeah, we got a lot of squirrels through here, that's for sure. And it is windy still. Okay, and as always, I guess we'll actually end it at the beginning. All right. There we go.